Is this the reality of a Bitcoin supply shock? Price action continuing to the upside. I had a look at the order books on Coinbase, and I see no evidence of major sell walls and tremendous volume, tremendous buy action. So I suppose it's true that there is a supply crisis. There's not enough Bitcoin to satisfy demand. PayPal, Square, Grayscale buying up more than the new supply. Very little sell activity on exchanges, very little Bitcoin on exchanges, with growing demand. As I've said in previous videos, I fully expected a retrace by now, a significant retrace, 30 to 40%. And the rational part of me still does expect a pullback of that magnitude. I think you have to be cognizant of that. You have to acknowledge the fact that what we are seeing with Bitcoin right now, and much of crypto, to be quite frank, is what we call a parabola, where it's just going like that. It's not consolidating at any point, it's not consolidating with any significance at any point on this rise. And so that is always a telltale sign that when it does correct, and that correction will be significant. I think the saying is, Bitcoin takes the elevator up, the escalator up, but it takes the elevator down. So with that I say, expect to pull back. Mentally prepare for significant, dramatic, drastic pullback. You will hear it referred to as all sorts of emotion evoking adjectives, bloodbath, or verbs I should say, bloodbath, dip, crash, plummet, etc. All of those things will be used to describe downward action. Your most significant challenge will be not to give in, not to panic sell when you see this action materialize. Keep a strong hand. Don't give up your Bitcoin to the big players. Remember, whales have the ability to manipulate markets. And as they manipulate markets, they manipulate emotions. Manipulated emotions equate to panic selling in a downtrend. Losses for you, cheap Bitcoin for them. So we'll see how this turns out. This is my first experience this early in the bull cycle in crypto. Admittedly, it is incredibly exciting. But I'm always mindful of the requirement, after having learned some hard lessons, always mindful of the requirement to stay rational, stay grounded, expect to pull back.